Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to look at a very relevant camera in 2026, the GoPro Hero 5. Now, the GoPro Hero 5 was released in 2016, and meaning it's still very modern, and we should look at it and see how it does. Now, all kidding aside, I think it is still a great camera, and I kind of want to highlight the camera in this video series because I don't see much on the GoPro Hero 5 anymore. Weird. In this first video, the lighting here, we have some overcast skies. I'm going to do a little time lapse. I'm recording right now at 2.7K, 30 frames per second. Don't have Pro Tune on. I think I have stabilization on. So this is just what's coming out of the camera. The sun is in kind of that direction, so maybe my lighting is good. I really don't know. I'm not a professional camera person. I just make videos on YouTube. But anyway, so I want to take a look at a time lapse in cloudy, partly cloudy conditions. So I'm going to show you that first, and then we'll go through some stuff through this series. I'll make a short playlist, probably maybe 5 to 10 videos on the camera. In 2026, maybe some of the stuff will be some cycling footage, maybe some skiing footage. That'll be a few months. So it might take me a few months to make this playlist, but I thought it would be kind of cool to look at this camera. Anyways, babbling aside, let's get to the time lapse.